Hi guys, welcome to the first video of the course, and this is the first video in the waving section, and right now we're going to break down the arm wave. This is the arm wave, and the way you break it down is that you just break it down in sections and then keep practicing those sections, and sooner than later you start getting the fluid arm wave. So we're going to discuss the sections right now. First, bend your fingers, then your knuckles, then your wrist, then the elbow goes up, then the shoulder goes up, then the shoulder goes down. So this is one arm waving, the breakdown of one arm waving. So this is one section, and the reverse would be the elbow goes up, the wrist goes up, the knuckles go up, the fingers go up. This is the incoming, this is the reverse. Okay. And then we move to the right side. So you come here, and then you raise the other shoulder from here to here. The elbow goes up, the wrist goes up, knuckles go up, the fingers go up, and it's done. So this is the movement. So basically you have to practice the breakdown. You keep practicing it like this. Okay. So I suggest you practice one section first. You practice like one arm first, and the reverse. Yup. So this is the full wave. And then you reverse it from here. Fingers bend, knuckles bend, the wrist bends, the elbow goes up, shoulder goes up, and then same thing on the other side. The shoulder on the right side goes down and the left side goes up. The elbow goes up, the wrist goes up, the knuckles go up, the fingers go up. So this is the complete breakdown of the arm wave. So for the practice, I suggest starting with one portion, then practicing the reverse. Okay. The other portion, practicing the reverse, and then practicing it going from one side to the other, and then the reverse. So this is the complete in-depth breakdown of the arm wave. So, this is a part of the entire course on animated urban dancing, which is available on the website in the description. And then, I've been learning animated urban dancing since 2013, and the biggest roadblock I faced was that, I would get stuck somewhere, and then, the videos online or the courses online would not address those issues. So the biggest USP of this course is that we have a forum which is subscription based, but it is 1 month free with if you buy the whole course. And then we have guaranteed support. So wherever you get stuck, you can upload videos, you can ask questions, and it's like a one-on-one coaching where you are sure to learn the dance form. you know so you can check out the course in the description below.